Hi children. Similarity, the word similarity already you learn in the 9th standard when the triangles are said to be similar. 3 tests also we studied. SSS test of similarity, SAS test of similarity, and the last one is AA test of similarity. So what AA test of similarity? When two angles of one triangle are correspondingly congruent with two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are said to be similar to each other by AA test of similarity. Today we have to study one of the important theorem in the similarity, and the theorem is areas of similar triangle. Areas of similar triangle. Statement is like this: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means what? If triangles are similar, when the two triangles are similar, means these two triangles are similar to each other like this, it is given to us. Then what we have to show? Area of this triangle with respect to area of that triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding bases, or you may say sides. Now see children, I have drawn here triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular on BC. Means AD is the height and BC is the base of that triangle. And the second triangle is PQR in which base is QR and the perpendicular height is PS. Means PS is perpendicular on the QR. So this is the given thing. So first of all we have to write given. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular on BC, and in triangle PQR, seg PS is perpendicular on seg QR. So this is our given, and what we have to show to prove is what? See once again statement. When the triangles are similar, means this similarity. So one more thing we should mention कि triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is very important thing. They had given in the statement कि these two triangles are similar to each other. Then what we have to prove? After comma, the thing is very important. The ratio of areas of those triangle, means area of this triangle upon that triangle. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what we have to show? It is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding side. Now corresponding sides are BC and QR because we had considered vertex A and AD is perpendicular on BC. So BC is our required side, or what side we expect na, that is BC, because see what happened in the triangle. 3 possible cases are there. AB is side, BC, AC is side, and the BC is side. But now here in this case I had considered BC is our side because from vertex A perpendicular had drawn. Means AD is perpendicular on the BC, that time BC is our required base or the side, corresponding side. So we'll write here BC square, square of the corresponding sides, BC square upon QR square. So this is the first possible case. So like that way you can prove AB square upon corresponding side of this triangle is PQ square and AC square upon PR square. Proof. We'll write here proof. children, we have to start from our given. We'll begin with the given in the proof. What is given? When the triangles are similar to each other. Thing is that these two triangles are similar to each other. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is the given thing. We'll write here support as given. Okay. When triangles are similar to each other, you should remember two things. First of all, their corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in the proportion. Means what? See, as the triangles are similar to each other, first of all, I will take side AB upon PQ. That is equal to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. And the support is corresponding sides of similar triangle. These are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. And angle B means A angle will be congruent to P and B will be congruent to Q. C will be congruent to R. But our expected angle is angle B is congruent to angle Q. And this is our second equation, first equation, and the support is corresponding angles of similar triangle. Now question arises, why I have selected angle B only? Means B is congruent to Q. Other cases we are there. As I told, A is congruent to P, B is congruent to Q and C is congruent to R. These are the corresponding angles of similar triangle and they are congruent. But the question is why I have selected B and Q, this pair only. Because see children, now we have to enter in this triangle. I will shade this portion ADB, that triangle, and here PSQ. Means I want such a angle which belongs to this small triangle and the large triangle also. So that I have considered B is consider means already it is there. B is congruent to Q. Now one more pair in this triangle ADB. Angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. This is third equation and the support is each is 90 because perpendicular we drawn. As these two equation tells us that these two triangles are similar to each other by AA test of similarity, because B is congruent to Q, like this we already proved. Why they are congruent? Because they are the corresponding angles of these two big similar triangle. And one more thing, this 90-90 both are means triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ and support will be AA test of similarity. See children, while taking similarity in the triangle, there should be proper sequence you should maintain. Now what happened? As again same thing we have to show. As the triangles are similar to each other, their sides are in the proportion. So we'll take as AD upon PS, DB upon SQ and AB by PQ. This is our fourth equation, corresponding sides of similar triangle support. Now see children, our first equation and the fourth equation, these two equations have common ratio AB upon PQ. Means in short, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ratio. This is repeated. So these 5 ratios are equal. Means in short you will write 1, 2, 3 AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to AC by PR, which is equal to this 2 ratio, means AD by PS, that is equal to dB upon SQ, and the support is from equation 1 and 4. Here after that, see children, our first property from the textbook we learn the ratio of areas of any two triangle. Purposely I am telling you any triangle. If any triangle we consider, then the ratio of areas of any triangle means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of their product of corresponding height and the basis. So height of the first triangle is AD and BC be the base. Similarly, height is this and base is this, PS into QR. So AD into BC upon PS into QR, like this we got. But see children, the ratio AD upon PS, here we got the answer. AD upon PS means nothing but BC. So we'll do like this. The value of AD by PS I will substitute as BC by QR. Here is our AD by PS. So instead of that ratio, its value will be BC by QR into the next ratio will keep as it is, BC by QR, and the final answer BC into BC will be BC square upon QR square. Means in short, you proved that the ratio when the triangles are similar, very important thing is that when the triangles are similar, then only you can say the ratio of areas of these two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of its corresponding sides. So here we got the answer.